Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Karlami Hair. Today I'll be showing you guys their 99J Burgundy 13x4 lace front curly hair wig. I have this particular wig in 24 inches and in 180% density, and I was also able to install her completely glueless. You guys know I don't like glue anyways, but I'm still gonna tell you guys that. But anyways, this was a very quick and easy wig install, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna give you guys a quick unboxing. As always, let's just show you everything that came along with the wig. Here is the wig in general. It is a very nice curly texture. It kind of reminds me of like a Jerry curly. It's also very soft to the touch, and as you guys can see, that color is a 99J Burgundy. Now they are marketing for this lace to be HD, but as you guys can see, she's looking extremely white, which means she is definitely more on the transparent side, but as always, we're just going to work our way around it. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is cut that lace off of the back of the wig. We're going to get rid of that. We do not want her there. Then I'm going to go ahead and add as much makeup as I can to cover up that super white lace. This is what the lace is looking like now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the wig on. Now, as far as the fitting of the wig cap, it was kind of weird. The back was a little loose, and then like where the lace is was like a little tight. I don't really know what that was about, but yeah. Other than that though, I really did like the color of the wig. It was kind of giving like mermaid, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick and go ahead and get all of the hair away from the lace. That way we can cut her off and see what we're working with. Time to cut off that additional lace, so I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my ears to get rid of that excess lace from around that area, and then I'm going to use my zigzag scissors to get rid of the lace all the way around. That way it's giving more of a natural hairline. All of the excess lace is off, so I'm just making sure everything is good to go. Now, I don't know if they pre-plucked the wig already. It looks like they did, but barely. So if you want to take the extra time to go ahead and pluck some more hair, you can. I did not, because that lace was already super white, and obviously the more hair that you pluck, the more that lace is going to show, and I just didn't want to risk it. So I just went in immediately with my lace melting spray to lay the lace down. Okay, so as you guys can see, I put the hair up. I'm gonna go in with one more round of that lace melting spray to make sure everything is secure. And you guys know my little trick. I'm using some of the hair that is on the wig to cover up my sideburns, because they'll be extremely noticeable, and being that this is like a burgundy wig, it's just gonna look super ugly and it's not gonna be cute at all. So we do not want that to show. Plus, I'm leaving the rest of the hair down anyways, so it's okay that I did that. Elastic band is now off, so obviously to help with that white lace, I'm gonna go in with some more foundation and just dab her at the edge. She definitely did help. It melted pretty good. I was actually kind of surprised with how it looked. It wasn't 100% there, but she was pretty close. I also did add a little bit of baby hair as well. So technically the install is done. It is now time to style, and I'm over here trying to figure out if I want to leave like this no effortless, no part type of look, or if I wanted to give myself a defined look. But I happen to like how the hair was looking just laying as it was, so I went ahead and I worked with that. Now, as far as defining these curls and just styling this hair overall, all I used was some water and I finger detangled, and then I went in with some gel just to help to set the curls. Now, as far as any shedding or tangling, did the hair shed? Yes. I would definitely put it on like the minimal shedding type of spectrum. The hair did not tangle, and as I mentioned earlier, the hair was pretty soft to the touch as well, so no issues from me. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Like I said before, I really did not have any issues as far as the quality of the hair. If there was only one thing that I could change about this wig, it'll just be the color of the lace. And probably if they pre-plucked a little bit more, that would have been great. But other than that, I was completely satisfied. Okay, and just like that, we are finished. Just like I said earlier, you guys, it honestly didn't take me too long to install this wig. Overall, it was a really quick and simple wig install. I definitely did like the color. I love the quality of the hair. Again, I just probably would have changed that lace color, and that's about it. But other than that, no complaints from me. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box down below. I will have the direct link to this particular wig unit listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.